My beta is making bubbles. Oh my god, what's wrong with him? Is he going to die? Doesn't a disease catch him? What should I do? Lots of these types of questions you may have asked when your beta makes bubbles, right? But I'm assuring you that you don't need to be worried much. Your beta is just fine. Just fine. But you must know the reasons why your beta is doing such activity. Do you want to know? Then without wasting time, let's dive deep into this video. But before jumping, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, otherwise you will miss such significant knowledge about your ornamental fish. The main reason for this activity is your male betta fish is just super horny. Sounds weird, right? But it's the actual fact. We can't help it. However, it is not like you are thinking. You must know that when a male betta wants to mate with a female betta, then he starts making bubbles. It's the basic nature of labyrinth species. Gourami also does similar activities. These bubbles are called the bubble nest. This bubble nest is used for not only mating, but storing eggs also. The male is responsible for protecting the eggs. First, he builds a nest by blowing small bubbles on the surface of the water. In the wild, this often happens under floating debris. Male betta becomes very much comfortable under his bubble nest. It is basically a place where betta lives peacefully. You must know that the male betta fish is a very good father. He takes sole responsibility for raising the young spawn as a single dad. He vigilantly guards the nest until the eggs hatch 1 or 2 days after spawning. The young bettas, also known as fry, have special cells along their bodies that keep them attached to the nest. In the wild, bubble nests attract microscopic organisms that serve to feed the newborn bettas. The fry will stay in the nest watched over by their father until they are old enough to swim away in search of a more substantial meal. You don't need to be worried if your betta is just making bubbles. Rather, you can add Indian almond leaves to help him to make more bubbles. Actually, Indian almond leaves work as a catalyst for this process. There are other things to know about the bubble nest that is made by your betta fish. If your betta is making lots of bubbles, it means he is happy and healthy. Who doesn't want a happy fish? So keep smiling and provide him with the best possible care. I kept lots of betta in previous times. You can see these balls. Some of betta didn't make enough bubbles. I wasn't experienced at that time and didn't understand much. Sometimes later they fall into various illnesses. So it is obvious that your betta is making bubbles. It means he is healthy after all. Now some of you may be concerned about whose bettas are not making bubbles, right? Yeah, I know you very well, but I will not remove your concern. If you don't like this video till now, subscribe to this channel. Do it now. I'm just waiting, man. I hope you have done it already, right? So, if your betta isn't making bubbles, doesn't mean it is unhealthy or unhappy. You must understand the basic concept. A male betta makes his bubble nest when he grows up as an adult. So, you must notice whether your betta is juvenile or not. Secondly, you must know female betta don't produce bubbles like male. So, if your betta is female, then you cannot expect a bubble nest from it. Lastly, you have to provide quality food and a peaceful environment with quality water to your betta fish. If any one of these things is missing, then your betta will be stressed and will not make any bubble nest. So, these are the things you should know about why your betta is making bubbles. We will meet again in the next video, so hit the like button if you have known a new thing about your betta fish. It will help me to make such videos for you. So for now it's time to go. Aqualife Expert signing off.